Making pills that could save lives, Indian pharmaceutical companies are growing faster than ever before. But even as global attention is focused on the healthy growth in India, it is threatened by a serious malaise: counterfeiting. Fake drugs in the system risk not just lives of patients, but also the reputation of drug makers.
Over 25% of all drugs consumed in developing countries could be substandard or counterfeit, according to the World Health Organization. Counterfeit drugs are easy to produce as they require very low investment and are hugely profitable for the makers. With manufacturing costs already 40% cheaper in India compared to other countries, authorities here are worried that India could become an easy target for fake drug makers.
That's why the government has now launched a campaign against fake drugs. The Drug Controller of India says that while they have task forces that regularly raid spurious producers, it's getting increasingly difficult for them to spot fakes.
Very difficult for anybody to identify which one is a genuine and which was a fake. Only the company's manufacturers, he can tell it. So that's the main problem with us. So if we put a track and trace system, some barcoding or something, it may be easy to identify the fake one.
Or you can send to the SMS.
Using just text messaging and scratch-off labels, consumers can find out if a pill is real or fake. Anyone with a camera-enabled phone and web access can also scan a quick response or a QR code on the packaging. They'll instantly be directed to the company website, which will authenticate the drug. Leveraging the extensive mobile usage in the country and cloud computing, computer companies see a huge business potential in offering technology solutions to the pharma industry.
This is at the consumer level. But a lot of piracy or counterfeits happen at the retailer level itself without the retailer knowing that he's selling a fake medicine. It happens as well. So when the retailer is stocking parts, he could probably do the same code verification and be confident that he's selling the right medicines to his customers. So it can get into multiple levels of controlling piracy. By this, we were able to achieve fantastic results in Africa, where we could significantly reduce the counterfeited medicines which are sold today.
A majority of the drugs available in Africa comes from here, Indian generic drug laboratories. The government hopes that barcoding would give credibility to the generic drugs going out of the country. So it's not just the domestic market that will be affected.
The Indian pharma market is $10 billion and $5 billion is exported. But to put that in perspective, the global donor-funded pharmaceutical market is about $5 billion per year as well. And in many categories, such as antiretrovirals and antimalarials, such as ACTs, 70 to 80% of the drugs are manufactured in India and provided to the global market. So the credibility of Indian pharmaceuticals in India and globally is fundamental.
Ensuring that poor people get access to quality drugs is top priority, says the government. But counterfeits seriously ail the health of people as well as the industry. Unless the government is able to crack down on the spurious products in the market, in many cases, popping a pill could be life-threatening.